Hey guys, Glenn here. If you're having the W5 issue with your Google Nest thermostat, I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to know to fix it without beating around the bush. As far as all of my research, I have tried to do a hard reset, and I went through all the troubleshooting steps that they recommend, and you're probably in this video because you did the same too. Google knows that this is a hardware issue, so they do warranty it usually. I was warranted for it over a year. I'm going to post a Google phone number that you need to contact because it's very difficult to find. And if you try to go through all of the prompts and chats with Google and emails, it takes forever. If you just call this, they can have it sorted out in about 5 minutes. So look at the link down below, call that number. The W5 cannot be fixed as far as I know. As long as it's in warranty, you're going to get a new one. And then all you do is take it off the face and then put the new one on, program it just like usual, and it's a brand new one. It took me about 5 minutes to order it on the phone, and it took me about 5 minutes to install it. Now, you have two different options. You can take it off and send it, and it doesn't cost you a thing, or you can pay in advance for it. They call it the advanced shipping or whatever it is, and which I chose to do. I paid up front to get it. It came the next day, believe it or not, and I ordered it at night, which is kind of crazy. And then I sent it back, and they refund the credit card that you used. Hopefully this helps. Please like and subscribe to this video to show other people and YouTube that this does work and to cut out all the BS and just this is how to fix it, and that's it. Phone number down below, link to Google Nest if you want to get it off of Amazon. You guys have a great day.